Welcome to your English learning adventure. Get ready to listen, learn new words, and have fun practicing English. Before you watch, make sure to subscribe. It tells YouTube you like this content, and they'll recommend it to more people like you. Let's grow together.
Oh, look at the sky. It's very dark.
Why is the sky dark? Is it nighttime?
No, it's the middle of the day. I think it's going to rain.
Rain. What is rain?
Listen, that sound is rain. It's water falling from the sky.
Water from the sky. That's strange.
Oh no, it's raining a lot. Do you have an umbrella, Robo?
Umbrella. What is that?
It's something we use to stay dry. Look, like this.
She opens her colorful umbrella.
Wow, it's big and bright. It looks like a flower, but I don't need it. I'm made of metal.
He stands in the rain proudly.
See, the water is not a problem for me.
Be careful, Robo. You might get rusty.
Rusty. Is that a new game? Is it fun?
No, Robo, it's not fun. How can I explain? Rusty is when metal gets wet and then it gets brown and weak.
Weak, like a sick person.
Yes, exactly. Like a cold for metal. You can't move your arms and legs easily.
Robo looks at his shiny arm. He touches it. He looks worried.
Oh no, I don't want to turn brown and weak. I don't want a metal cold.
Robo quickly covers his head with his hands.
How do I stop the rain? This is not good.
Don't worry, you can't stop the rain, but you can stay dry. Come here, we can share my umbrella.
Robo walks quickly and stands under the umbrella with Emma. They are very close.
Is this safe? Is the rain gone?
Yes, you are safe now. The umbrella is like a small, dry house.
Robo looks up at the umbrella, then at the raindrops falling around them.
The rain sounds nice from here. It's like music.
Yes, you're right. Some people love the sound of rain. It's relaxing.
Relaxing. It means it makes you feel calm and happy.
Yes, very good, Robo.
I like the sound of rain too, but I still don't like getting wet.
Look, it's Mittens, the cat.
The cat is wet and looks sad.
Hello, Mittens. You are very wet. Do you want to be rusty too?
No, Robo, cats don't get rusty. But they don't like being wet. It's cold for them.
Oh, poor Mittens.
Come here, Mittens.
The cat runs to them. Emma opens her coat, and the cat hides under it.
Wow!
Your coat is like a small umbrella for Mittens.
Yes, now we are all friends under one big umbrella and one small coat.
How long does the rain stay?
Sometimes it's short, sometimes it's long. We need to wait.
Waking is boring. Let's play a game.
A game? What game can we play here?
Let's count the raindrops.
Count the raindrops? There are too many.
Okay, then let's sing a song about rain.
That's a great idea. Do you know a rain song?
No. Can you teach me one?
Of course. It's very simple. You can sing it with me.
Emma sings a simple song, like Rain, Rain, Go Away. Robo tries to sing with her. His voice is a little robotic, but he is happy.
Look, Robo, the rain is stopping.
Is it finished? Can I go out now?
Yes, it's safe now.
Robo carefully walks out from under the umbrella. He looks at the sky.
The sky is not dark anymore. And look, what is that?
That is a rainbow. It has many beautiful colors.
Wow! The world is clean and shiny now. The rain is nice when you have an umbrella and a friend.
Yes, Robo. Everything is better with a friend.
Emma, look. I am not rusty.
And I'm very happy about that. Come on, let's go home.
Okay, but if it rains again tomorrow, can we share your umbrella again?
Anytime, Robo. Anytime.
They walk home together, with Mittens the cat following them. The sun is shining.
Great job, everyone! Now it's time to learn some new words from our story. Welcome to vocabulary time. Let's look at some words, their meanings, and examples.
Strange, something that is not usual or normal. Example, water from the sky is strange for Robo. Rusty, metal that turns brown and weak after getting wet. Example, Robo doesn't want to be rusty. Weak, not strong. Example, Robo was afraid of becoming weak. Sick, not healthy or feeling bad. Example, Emma explained that being rusty is like being sick for metal. Boring, not fun or interesting. Example, Robo said waiting for the rain to stop was boring. Raindrop, a single drop of rain. Example, Emma saw the first raindrop fall from the sky. Middle, the center or halfway point of something. Example, the rain started in the middle of the day. Welcome to the questions part. Don't worry, just do your best and have fun.
Why was the sky dark at the beginning of the story? A. Because it was nighttime. B. Because there was a storm coming. C. Because it was going to rain. D. Because the sun was gone forever. What is rain according to Emma? A. Snow falling from the sky. B. Water falling from the sky. C. Stars falling from the sky. D. Wind from the clouds. What does the word rusty mean? A. Shiny and new. B. Brown and weak. C. Strong and clean. D. Smooth and fast. How did Emma help Robo stay dry? A. She turned off the rain. B. She gave her her coat. C. She shared her umbrella with him. Or D. She built a house for him. Why was Mittens the cat sad? A. Because she was hungry. B. Because she was wet and cold. C. Because she lost her toy. Or D. Because Robo scared her. What game did Robo want to play while waiting for the rain to stop? A. Jumping in puddles. B. Counting raindrops. C. Hiding under the coat. Or D. Racing with Emma. What did Robo learn at the end of the story? A. Rain is scary. B. Rain makes everything dirty. C. Rain is nice when you have a friend and an umbrella. D. Robots can fly in the rain.
My dear friend, our English lesson is over today. Active listening will make you progress. Don't forget to practice. You need to practice to become strong. Want to master Learn English? You're missing out if you're not subscribed. I upload new tips and tricks every day that will take your skills to the next level. Subscribe now and never fall behind. Good luck. Goodbye.